pala sa Maynila. Maingay. Mausok. Puno ng pangarap.
Hi! My name is Luigi. Ever found yourself stuck at FU Tech wondering, paano nga ba pumunta ng Antipolo? Well, this is the perfect video for you. I'm here with my friend, Aldrin.
Yes!
Hi guys!
Hi guys!
So, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Tara na at mag-travel tayo gamit ang LRT2, ang pinakamabilis na transportation papunta sa Antipolo.
So today guys, we show you every steps on how to go to LRT2 from here in FU Tech or FU Manila. So we're gonna start na. So guys, from here in FU Manila, we're going to walk about 5 to 10 minutes para makapunta tayo ng LRT2 Recto Station. So hi guys, now we are here now in Recto. So we're going to walk a little bit more para makapunta tayo ng LRT2 station.
Pagdating sa Recto Station, don't forget to load your beep card if you have one, or buy a single journey ticket. We're heading to Antipolo Station, the last station of LRT2 if you're from Recto. From Recto, here are the stations you'll go through. Recto, Legarda, Pureza, V Mapa, J. Ruiz, Gilmore, Betigo Belmonte, Araneta Center Cubao, Anonas, Katipunan, Santolan, Marikina Pasig, and lastly, Antipolo Station.
Remember me.
And we made it after 35 minutes of our journey using an LRT2. We are here now in Antipolo Station, and from here you can ride a jeep or trike to go to the different places that you want in, like Antipolo Cathedral, Pinto Art Museum, Cloud9, or just chill and enjoy the view here in Antipolo.
So there you have it, a super easy and convenient way to get from FEU to Antipolo using LRT2.
So, to summarize our journey, first we're going to walk about 5 to 10 minutes to go to the Recto Station. Second, we're going to ride the LRT2 eastbound. Third, we're going to get off at the LRT station Antipolo. And lastly, we're going to ride a e-trike or jeep to go to the different places that we want to visit here in the Antipolo.
Until next time, fellow commuters, kita-kits sa susunod na trip. Ingat!